People ask me, what the heck is a Combi oven? And it's really simple. It's a combination of steam, convected air, or both to cook products correctly and consistently using a computer-driven system to guarantee delivery of the same product every time without change. Now, this unit here delivers up to 100% moisture in the cavity and up to 100% fan and temperatures up to 650 degrees. So you can combine anywhere you want to and deliver moisture at any time within the cook cycle, or convected air during cycle, or the amount of convected air you want during the cycle to produce exactly what you want every time from the oven. It takes away the operator problem of, I think I'll do it this time one way and I'll do it another time another way. You push the button, it says roast beef, you push it, put the product in, you're done. That's how convection and combi and steam works with a combi oven. Why would I choose the expense of a combi oven over a convection oven or others? Just ask a chef and he'll tell you. The ability to do anything from a custard and not sealing the top to doing a beautiful souffle without causing it to fall, to roasting of beefs with moisture added so your shrink is far lower, to the ability to brown product, drop the temperature and slow cook for hours to produce great tender product like, a pork, beautiful pork butt in here. Carnitas is beautiful in this oven with the ability to recirculate the orange and the cinnamon and the like as it recirculates the moisture in the oven. This is where you want to be if you're a real pro at cooking products, whether it be beefs, baking, custards, wherever you want to take it, this product will do it for you, and simply. People ask me, should I invest in a convection oven? What does it do? It's real simple. I'm going to open the door and explain it. When this oven is running, there's a fan in the back that circulates heat. And in front of that fan are cowl rods or heat exchangers. So the fan is blowing the heat into the oven, circulating it, and it usually comes straight out, hits and rotates, and is returned with a return air system back over to the fan and then through the element. So you're constantly replenishing to keep that temperature at 350 or whatever you're baking at. But what it does, it actually blows the hot air over your product. Now there's a cold zone here and there's a hot zone here. It takes longer for that cold to be dissipated and allowing the heat to sink into your product. The fan will blow away the cold and increase the entry of warm air, which will decrease your cook time or drop your temperature for cooking. Traditionally, convection ovens drop the bake by about 20%, and you can work at about 25 degrees less heat and produce a great product. Why choose an oven that costs 15 to 20% more than a standard oven? It's real simple. This product we talked about will give you less shrink if you put moisture in it. It will allow you to bake or roast consistently without having to rotate your pans, which is very important, especially if you're baking croissants, finer products. If you have them without a convection oven, radiant ovens have hot spots. There's an element here, and the hot spot may be up in the top left-hand corner because heat rises. With a convection oven, the air circulates around, so the hot spots are traditionally gone, and the need to rotate for cookies or croissants or any bakery item is not needed. And for roasts and for meats and steaks and the like, it's great because it's consistent temperature and you're getting a great finish on the outside of your meat. That's why I spend the extra money on a convection oven.